What's up everyone? In this video I want to walk you through a SPY trade I took today, and in this is one of my favorite setups to trade. I'm going to give you my thought process, the reasoning behind the level, and how I manage the trade. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you do not miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Let's get right into this. First trade I made some lunch money on. I called both these trades live inside Team Bull. We had a bear flag for him. Took a little early entry. We broke it, pulled back. I wanted the entry around the 9 EMA. I got it. Took the push back down, trimmed. It came back up, hit my stop loss at what I paid to enter. Not a lot to talk about here. The reason I wanted to go short, I had a nice bounce area I wanted to play this down to. Unfortunately, we didn't get down there, but this next trade was a big trade, and we had a perfect entry on it inside Team Bull. And this is one of my favorite setups to trade. So this is prior day close on SPY, right? We broke above it with good volume, which was a key area I was watching as well. It lined up with SPX prior day close, broke above it, had a nice push up, and we come back down, retest this area. We had the VWAP, 9 EMA, and prior day close here. It lined up nicely with SPX. I really like what I saw here. Told everyone I'm buying SPY calls here. I was trading next day expiration on this trade. We got in here. First price target was high of day. That being said, I did take a little of my position off in this area here. It was hesitating a little. I wanted to take some risk off in profit, but my big trim was here when we broke high of day. And my final price target was based off a SPX level, which was SPX yesterday, the high day for yesterday. And this played out perfectly. Called my exact execution inside Team Bull as the trade progressed. And this is exactly what I like to trade. I like for a nice break above. If you take it off this initial candle, the breakout candle, it's a breakout trade. To me, these have higher risk because a lot of times you try to catch it, when you're first breaking out, and it can turn around quickly and get away from you for a loss, right? So what I like to do, I like to wait on it to push up, pull back, retest that area. Love when all my indicators line up like you can see here, and it lines up with the SPX level. That's just icing on the cake, right? Another trade, I didn't take this one, but I was looking for an uptrend forming, right? Told everyone inside Team Bull, I said, if you missed out on the first trade, the next trade is going to be at this 451.36 for calls. That would be entering off a higher low. That's how you trade an uptrend. If you don't understand trend, I have a video specifically talking about how to trade trend. Be sure to check that out. And as you can see here, came down touched. I really like the volume on this one. We didn't have a huge increase in selling volume. Come down, bounced nicely. That would have been zero drawdown entry. And again, my first price target was high of day. Told everyone when it hit, even though I wasn't in this, I still helped them manage it. Said first trim's here. Keep some runners, let them run. Some people made 100% on this trade. I'm not sure what strike they was trading. I wasn't watching the options when they was in the trade. I was just watching the chart. But I want to say something before we go. If you trade futures, if you don't like options, you can always trade ES based off of my SPY and SPX levels. If you don't have a futures trading account and you don't want to fund one, check out Apex in my link. It's a funded account company. They'll get you funded. You can trade with their money, not risking your own. Check them out. Be sure you use code Grizzly, give you a discount. And that's it. I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.